Good afternoon. My name is Doris Davis. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to talk about the CARES Act applications and how to complete your CARES Act application online. Okay, to start your application, you need to go to www.pbcgov.com/OSCARSS. If you already have an account on OSCARSS and you've applied for services through Community Services OSCARSS system before, you can just sign in. If you don't have an account, you can register for one. To register, the first thing you'll do is read and accept the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions are in English, Spanish, and Creole. You will complete the registration details with things such as your name, your date of birth, your gender, your email address. You create a password. Confirm that password. You'd enter your social security number and your address. After registration, you will need to go to your email account, activate the registration, and it will take you back to the login page where you can then log in with using your email account and the password that you created during the registration.